Let's prepare some plantain chips. So this is a popular Ghanaian street snack, and oh my goodness, it is so good. Okay, you will love it. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes, and if you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free, and my name is Lena. Welcome. So without wasting much of your time, I have washed my plantains very well behind camera, and let's get right into it. We are going to use our knife and the potato or vegetable peeler. Okay, yes, so I'll just go ahead and then peel the plantain with my knife. Yes, just like how you are seeing on the screen. It is so simple and easy to make this. So after that, we are just going to use the peeler to peel it well, and then we are good to go, just like this. Just look at that. So simple. You see that? So simple. Yes. If today is the first time here and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so for me, and please click on the bell icon that says all. And if you're watching me on Facebook, follow for more videos. They don't take money, it is free. Please, after watching the video, do not hesitate to share to others. Thank you so much. Are you looking for short videos? Please don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms, especially on TikTok, Instagram, and my YouTube shorts. Okay, we do the shorts there, and you will love it as well. Thank you very much. My returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. So please, after watching this video, don't hesitate to leave me comments, and I will be very happy to read your comments. You can use your knife as well to cut it like how you are seeing on the screen. You make sure it is very thin. Okay, it shouldn't be very big because we want it very crunchy. Okay, so you cut it very thin, then you can get that perfect plantain chips you've been buying. Just like that one. Okay, yeah, thank you so much for your time. So we will continue with the cutting, and when we are done, we will proceed. If you've watched me till this point and you haven't liked the video, please, what are you waiting for? Like it for me. Okay, yeah, thank you. So as I'm doing this, I have my oil on fire, okay, on a very lower heat so that it will not be too hot. Okay, so we are just going to start frying this, and then you will be surprised with the results. So let's start it. Now I'll just put them in the oil, and I'll make sure they don't get closer to each other. Okay, so that we will get that perfect plantain chips. Now it is ready. I'll go ahead and then remove it from the oil, let it rest on the paper towel or in your colander so that we can drain some of the oil from it. After we are done with this, I will just go ahead and then fry the one that we cut with the knife. Okay, and that also was so good and perfect. If you are looking for a business to do, I think this is also a business idea. Good one. Okay, people really enjoy plantain chips, and if you do this, you're not going to regret. Yes, so try this as well. And if you try this recipe, let me know in the comment section how you really enjoyed, because I know you will enjoy. Thank you so much. This is the 6th batch and it is ready. Okay, yes, just look at that. So perfect. Thank you for watching, and take good care of yourself. I love you.